Today we are introduced to microbiology basics presented by Swan and Victoria. Microbiology is the study of microorganisms, which are organisms too small to be seen without magnification, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, archaea, protists, and helminths. Now we are moving on to what microbes are. Microbe is a microorganism, especially a bacterium causing disease or fermentation. They can only be seen through a microscope because they are too small. And most of them are single cells and they can live in various environments. The example of microbes are bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa, and alago. Next one is cellular respiration. It is the metabolic process which breaks down glucose and other organic molecules used to produce energy, which is ATP. The formula of the respiration is glucose plus oxygen equals carbon dioxide, water, and energy. The purpose of cellular respiration are energy production, which produce ATP for cellular activities, and growth, which produce energy for cell division and reproduction, and metabolism, which support biochemical reactions inside the cell. However, the most primary purpose of cellular respiration is producing ATP, which is energy production. What they obtain is DNA replication, synthesis of cellular components, and last one is cell division, which is binary fission. Next is how bacteria break down organic matter. To break down the organic matter, they use decomposition method. First, bacteria release enzymes and complex organic matter is broken down, and then small molecules are absorbed. And lastly, energy is produced through respiration. The example of decomposition is that plants, animal waste, and food residues.
So the next one is electron transfer. Electron transfer is when an electron moves to another atom or molecule from one atom or molecule. The example is iron and copper. Iron plus copper, 2 plus ions, produces iron 2 plus ions and copper. This is because the iron loses 2 electrons while copper 2 plus gets 2 electrons. This is an example of an electron transfer. Electron transfer is important in biological and chemical systems. Electron transfer makes energy in cellular respiration and photosynthesis, and also produces electricity by some bacteria. As I told you, the bacteria make electricity, such as exoelectrogenic bacteria. Exoelectrogenic bacteria are bacteria that send electrons outside of the cell and create electricity. Exoelectrogenic bacteria are used in microbial fuel cells for electricity technology. So there are some processes that the bacteria produce electricity. Bacteria break down their prey. During these processes, the electrons are produced. Exoelectrogenic bacteria send electrons outside of the cell, and those electrons move to electrodes, and it makes the electricity. So far we have covered microbiology basics. Thank you for listening.